Your everyday problems have solutions you didn't know existed. From wireless lighting that defies electrical outlets to pens hiding 17 survival tools, Amazon's got gadgets reshaping how we cook, charge, travel, and survive emergencies. These aren't gimmicks collecting dust. They're practical innovations, solving real friction points in modern life, and they're all one click away. Number 20. Electric Can Opener. Ever notice how the simplest tasks become impossible at the worst times? You're making dinner, guests arrive in 20 minutes, and that can of tomatoes refuses to cooperate. Here's a night for such moments. The electric can opener. One button does everything. No twisting, no struggling, no jagged edges threatening your fingers. Works on any can shape, any size. If you've got arthritis or just hate wrestling with kitchen tools, this gadget ends the fight permanently. Number 19. Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. It's February. The temperature is freezing outside, and your inner child asks, "Can we make s'mores?" The electric s'mores maker says yes when the weather says no. Plug it in, load the trays, watch marshmallows toast without fire, smoke, or setting off alarms. The flameless heater mimics campfire results while you stay cozy inside. 2 roasting forks, easy cleanup, and every night can be your indoor camping night. Number 18. TableMate TV Tray Table. Your couch wasn't designed for Zoom calls, neither was your bed. But here we are, laptops sliding off cushions, necks cramping at unnatural angles. TableMate fixes bad furniture decisions, slides under sofas, adjusts to 6 heights and 3 angles, and holds 40 pounds without wobbling. That built-in cup holder. Genius. It also folds flat when you need the space back. Your chiropractor will miss the steady income, but your spine won't miss the pain. Number 17. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. When did your engagement ring start looking cloudy? Lotion buildup, soap residue, microscopic grime. It happens gradually until one day you notice the sparkle's gone. The ultrasonic jewelry cleaner vibrates at 48,000 Hz, shaking loose everything your toothbrush can't reach. Drop in rings, glasses, even dentures. 5 minutes for routine cleaning, 7 for serious restoration. The stainless steel tank handles it all quietly while you do literally anything else. Number 16. Rocketbook Core Reusable Spiral Notebook. Digital notes feel soulless. Paper notes create landfill guilt. Pick your poison, right? Wrong. Rocketbook Core gives you real pen-on-paper satisfaction, then digitizes everything to the cloud with one scan. Write, upload, erase with a damp cloth. Repeat forever. The pages never run out. Available in 2 sizes, works with any cloud service you already use. This gadget ensures you get infinite paper and 0 environmental shame. Number 15. CENSGO Bluetooth Beanie. Earbuds fall out when you run. Headphones don't fit under winter hats. Your hands are too cold to hold a flashlight while walking the dog at 6 a.m. CENSGO solved all 3 problems with one beanie. Bluetooth speakers woven into the fabric, an LED headlight built into the front, both removable for washing. 12 hours of music, 8 hours of light. No wires, no fumbling, no frozen ears. $30 keeps you warm, lit, and entertained through winter's worst. Number 14. Rolling Grill Basket. Shrimp falls through the grates. Chopped vegetables scatter across hot coals. Small items turn every barbecue into an obstacle course. The rolling grill basket contains chaos. Stainless steel mesh holds everything secure while you flip it like a spatula. The beechwood handles detach for storage. Nest the small basket inside the large one. Pack it all away. No more chasing asparagus around the grill. Your vegetables stay where you put them. Number 13. 9-in-1 Multitool Pen. What weighs nothing, fits in your shirt pocket, and replaces half your tool drawer? This Multitool Pen. 9 functions twist out from one aluminum body. Screwdrivers, bottle opener, a phone stand, a level, a ruler, an LED light, a stylus, and an actual pen. The twist mechanism prevents accidental openings. Comes with extra ink and batteries. This pen eliminates that moment when you need something. and it's in another room, another bag, or your ex's place. Number 12. Rechargeable wall sconces. You rent, and drilling holes violates your lease. But that dark hallway desperately needs light, and extension cords look terrible. These wireless wall sconces mount with adhesive or magnets. Zero electrical work required. The 3000 mAh battery lasts up to 20 hours. Touch dimming from 10% to 100% rotates 360 degrees. Number 11. Wagan EL 6214. Cooler and warmer. Road trips mean gas station coffee that tastes like regret and lunch meat that's definitely been unrefrigerated too long. The Wagan EL6214 plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and swings both ways, cools to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, or heats to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 14 liters fit a dozen drinks or 2 lunches. The shoulder strap means you can actually carry it to your picnic table. Once you've road tripped with cold drinks and hot coffee available on demand, there's no going back. Number 10. Tactical pen with glass breaker. Most emergency tools scream prepper or take up half your bag. This one hides in plain sight. The tactical pen writes like any ballpoint, but the tungsten tip shatters car windows if you're trapped. Knurled grip works even with wet hands. Aircraft-grade aluminum means it won't bend when you need it most. Clips securely to pockets. Nobody notices it until it matters, and then it really matters. Number 9. SodaRide window breaker and seatbelt cutter. How fast does a car sink? Faster than you think. How hard is it to cut a jammed seatbelt with your keys? Impossible. SodaRide fits on your keychain, weighing practically nothing. A spring-loaded tungsten tip breaks glass instantly. The razor cutter slices through the belt webbing in one motion. Built-in flashlight for roadside emergencies. This is one of the tools that you hopefully never have to use, but absolutely cannot risk your life by ditching it, can you? Number 8. LOOI AI Desktop Robot Companion. Desks feel sterile. Video calls end, music stops, and suddenly you're just staring at a screen in silence. LOOI changes the vibe. This ChatGPT-powered robot recognizes your face, remembers conversations, and responds with animated expressions. It sees objects, understands gestures, and learns your routines. Includes wireless charging, weather updates, and reminders. Updates through the app add new behaviors. It's not productive exactly, but it's present. Number 7. UGREEN Nexode 3-port GOAN charger. Your desk has a minimum of 6 charging cables. Your travel bag contains another 8. Outlets never have enough slots. UGREEN Nexode replaces them all. 3 ports in one AirPod-sized package, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A. Charge MacBook Air to 51% in 30 minutes. The LED robot face shows charging status. Magnetic feet stick to metal surfaces, so it doesn't disappear behind furniture. This one charger consolidates your entire charging infrastructure into something that fits in your palm. Number 6. Cordless neck and shoulder massager. You've been typing for 6 hours. Your shoulders are granite. Your neck clicks when you turn your head. The SKG H5 neck massager straps on like a backpack, freeing your hands, while 6 massage heads need 200% more area than standard devices. Choose between 2 heat levels and 3 massage modes. Runs 90 minutes cordless. Weighs 2.4 pounds. Use it during meetings, while cooking, and during your commute. Number 5. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. Car charging cables tangle, fall between seats, and never reach the back row when you need them to. LISEN's retractable car charger extends 31.5 inches, then retracts automatically with one tug. 4 ports total. 69-watt output charges everything simultaneously. The 180-degree rotating plug fits any socket angle. Shock-proof construction maintains connection on rough roads. This simple gadget eliminates cable chaos and passenger complaints about dead phones in one move. Number 4. 4-in-1 cell phone stand. Your phone speaker is terrible. Bluetooth pairing fails mysteriously. Your desk looks like a Best Buy exploded. This 4-in-1 stand simplifies everything. Place your phone vertically and audio amplifies 200% instantly, no pairing needed. Includes Bluetooth mode, adjustable viewing angles, 2000 mAh emergency battery. Folds flat for travel. Works with 4 to 8 inch phones in induction mode, up to 13 inches via Bluetooth. This effortlessly transforms your desk from tech nightmare to minimalist dream. Number 3. Portable projector for iPhone. Movie night means squinting at a TV or laptop. Outdoor screenings require renting equipment or disappointment. The Elephas Mini Projector fits in your hand but throws 1080p images up to 200 inches. German LED technology, 16.77 million colors, built-in hi-fi speaker eliminates external audio needs. Includes a tripod stand for an anywhere setup. Multiple ports connect to everything. Laptops, streaming sticks, gaming consoles. Backyard movie nights, camping presentations, spontaneous gaming sessions. The size of a smartphone, the impact of a theater. Number 2. Neck air conditioner. Summer hiking sounds great until mile 3, when the heat turns your body into a furnace and every step becomes work. The neck air conditioner wraps 8 cooling vents around your neck, powered by a 6000 mAh battery, lasting 15.5 hours. 4 AI modes: cooling, eco, pulse, therapy. Bladeless design prevents hair snags. Whisper quiet at 31 decibels. USB-C fast charging, weighs just 455 grams. At $276, it's the difference between enjoying summer and merely surviving it. Number 1. 17-in-1 multi-tool. Ever been miles from help when something breaks? Gear fails, shelters need building, and emergencies happen when toolboxes are useless. This 17-in-1 multi-tool packs a knife, saw, screwdrivers, bottle opener, rope cutter, fire starter, window breaker, and whistle into hardened 420 stainless steel. One-handed operation, rust-resistant coating, safety lock that holds under pressure. Small enough for pockets, comprehensive enough for survival situations. It adapts to whatever's in front of you. Camping, repairs, emergencies. Function beats flash every single time.